Just a quick walk around for the YouTube video. So far so good. I still have some wet sand to do in a couple areas and more buffing, but paint's laying down really nice. Not bad for a barn paint job. I still have to paint the front bumper, doors, and a couple of small pieces. I'm liking it. That hasn't been wet sanded or buffed yet. Painting in my barn paint booth with my little homemade filtration. So this is where I'm painting that car. I've done quite a few cars like this. There's my front bumper that I still have to paint. I've also updating the stereo system. This car has just about every mod I can buy for the 2.7. It's got the aftermarket exhaust, tune, IPD plenum, and intake, and all that stuff. There's my amps I'm putting in. I'm going with Kicker KS speakers on the inside all around. I'm adding for the door panels, I'm adding the 4-inch and the 6.5 inch. I have a Pioneer head unit, and then I'm putting a Alpine Type R 10-inch in a fiberglass box I'm building to run it. Sorry for the bloody pictures, I had a bloody nose. That's my project, YouTube. Hope you guys like it. Please comment, share it. I would love to go viral doing these cars. This is about the 9th car I've done, and have a blast doing them. I work full time and just do this on the side for fun. Thanks, guys. Bye.